Kerala does not need any introduction. It is well known as one of the last remaining paradises in the world. It is known for its tradition, it's known for its culture, it is known for its varied geography. And Trivandrum city, which is the capital of Kerala, and it's now an upcoming metro city which has got all the facilities, like it's got airport, it's got a seaport coming up, it's got IT, it's got a lot of modern infrastructure, and it's completely, you can expect all the conveniences of a modern city there. So today we are at Vidura. Vidura is just around 30 kilometers from Trivandrum airport, an hour's drive, and this is situated at the foothills of the Western Ghats mountain range as well as the forest range. So in today's world, where we are exposed to a lot of stress, competition, pollution and different sorts of health issues, the last resort offers you a getaway to experience an alternative lifestyle which is completely natural. So the last resort is a responsible tourism initiative by us for you to experience an alternative lifestyle in a natural setting. We have a lot of different activities within a very closed area. For example, if you like wildlife, we have an elephant camp here which you can visit. We also have bird watching nearby in the forest. If you like nature, we have waterfalls, we have trekking trails, we have the mountain ranges which you can visit. And you can also visit a tribal settlement if you want to understand their way of life on a daily basis. So the last resort has around 8 acres of land which we propose to divide into different sections based on their functionality. One section is the accommodation units, where we can accommodate up to 50 people, and which is completely self-contained, which has got its own dining area. All the food is supplied in-house. And another section would be the wellness section, where they get to experience the local preventive healthcare methodology which is applied, which is a combination of Ayurveda, naturopathy and the local Dravidian medical systems, using herbs and plants from the local, where they grow it locally. So you can see the plants which are being grown and which is used for the medical practice. Another section of the last resort will be organic farming, which is dedicated, approximately 50 to 60% of the property is dedicated to organic farming. You can observe right from the seed level to the germination to the fully grown trees or plants. We'll have vegetables, we'll have fruits, we'll have herbs, spices, Ayurvedic plants. So you get to understand a lot more about cultivation, how food is grown, and how it thrives in the natural habitat without any poisonous fertilizers or anything else, but completely natural way of growing food. So another initiative which we are really excited about is a 10,000 square feet of space dedicated to become a learning center. They would like to attract creative talents, let's say artists, painters, sculptors, environmentalists from different parts of the country as well as the world, where they could showcase their talents and people can get to learn through workshops or seminars. As well as we'll have one area which is a marketplace which is dedicated to selling those handicrafts which can be purchased. So we already have partnered with a few other organizations which will add more value to our brand. For example, one organization is Avodynam Herbals. They are a ISO 9000 certified organization which manufactures Ayurvedic and proprietary medicines. Another organization we have partnered with is the Helping Hands organization, which is H2O. They have been in the field for around 7 years, and they are involved in a lot of social activities, sponsoring different events where the proceeds are used for a lot of community upliftment. One event which we would really like to mention was the International Kite Festival, which we had jointly conducted, and that was held at the Lighthouse Beach in Kovalam, and that was a grand success. So in order for this vision to come true, we would need a core team of people with a lot of expertise, talent, effort and resources. So we are looking for like-minded people who would partner with us. with whatever resources they have, whether it's their time, whether it's their talent, expertise, or investments, to make this vision a success.